Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick form video. Today's video is going to be a short video. I'm just going to be explaining to you guys about a price drop that's pretty good right now. And you know, with the phone being pretty new and there's already a discount, it's good, and why not get it now? So let's get into it. So if you go to boostmobile.com, guys, and then you go to phones, you go to all phones, you can really go to Androids because, you know, this is what we're talking about. There are some discounts here. But the main one we're going to focus on is going to be on the Moto G7 Play, which is the newest phone that Boost Mobile has to offer. But you can see here there are some phones that are discounted, like the LG Stylo 4. It's only $130 instead of $200. But overall, very nice savings right now, especially with Boost Mobile. So once we scroll down a little bit, you will see that there it is, guys, the Moto G7 Play. So it was $150. Now you save $20 and you can get it for $130. I actually picked this phone up for $150, guys, when it came out, and I must say I'm pretty impressed with it. I haven't had any issues with it. I like the notch. I kind of do like the notch a little bit. I'm not too much of a fan, but it's cool. You know, kind of reminds you of an iPhone. Very nice battery life. That's one thing I must say. It's very nice. The storage capacity is great. 32 gigabytes for a budget phone. Especially right now with the price being $130, guys. That is super budget for a phone to have 32 gigabytes on internal storage for Boost Mobile is a steal. 5.7-inch display, of course, a 720 display, 13 megapixel camera, and storage is 32 gigabytes. So that's pretty cool. And of course, Android 9.0. So let me just show you some quick things. I also have an unboxing of this phone. You can check that out in the description below if you want to check the unboxing. And I also have a camera test coming up. I also have a gaming test on this phone as well, which same thing will be linked in the description below. So check that out. But very nice, guys. Look at that, 40 hour. Of course, it has a 3000 milliamp battery with a rapid charge. So it does have rapid charge. Gives you, you know, fast charging. So that's pretty cool. But that is something that is nice. Let's go ahead and see some of the reviews. So 4 people have reviewed it so far. Let's see if it lets me see what it says. I don't know. It's being a little weird. Here we go. So currently on boostmobile.com, it has a 4 out of 5 star rating. It says, this guy said, can't play Clash Royale, be warned. I have 3 lower powered Android phones, and I guess you can't play Clash Royale. So if you're, I guess that's his one negative thing, that I guess you can't play Clash Royale. But I have played other games like PUBG, Mortal Kombat, Asphalt 9, and it worked perfectly fine. So this other guy has said, best Android budget phone from Boost Mobile. This phone came like a miracle. The build quality, I guess they were trying to say is not 100% since it's a budget phone, but that can be easily fixed with a good cover and screen protector. That's true. Like most phones, the CPU is very good and is a Qualcomm chip, and the GPU, this will give you good responsive and snappiness. RAM is on the bare minimum of 2 gigabytes, which is true. I wish it was at least 3 or 4, but 2 is definitely, you know, the bare minimum now. But it's compensated with 32 gigabyte internal storage. But, you know, you can just read all this through Boost Mobile. Another person said, great, one of the best devices on the market. Love Boost. Great company in the world. Boost makes your life better. Good, the best phone ever. So overall, I would say 3 out of 1. 3 out of the 4 people have said very good things about it. And like I said, for $130, guys, you can't beat it. So check that out. Like I said, it's $20 off right now, boostmobile.com. So price drop alert for you guys. So thank you for watching. Like I said, if you want to check more videos about this, check them out in the description below. This is Dragonic Warfare sign off. Please comment, rate, subscribe, hit that bell to be notified when more videos come out. Like I said, I have a video camera test coming up on this phone. Hopefully it's the next video that comes out. And also, if you want to support me, you can. In my PayPal in the description below, you can send me some tips there, or you can check out my #1 supporter, netbuddy.co. They offer true unlimited AT&T Hotspot, never throttled or capped, for only $60 a month. But if you use my link and promo code at checkout, you will save $5. That promo code is Sanchez45973. It is an affiliate link, so you know, if you guys sign up with the service, it will give me a little extra change. So thank you, and sorry for my phone blowing up, but thank you.